little bit about this. What do you think of Grace's work? Grace arranged the numbers in order, from the greatest to the smallest. Is she correct? The one I want to pay attention to. Can you put yourself in her shoes? Why did she do that? I know she's wrong, but she's not totally wrong. Can you put yourself in her shoes and say why she did that? Is she a little bit correct? Why is she a little bit correct? That's right. Probably she was thinking, let me compare the fourth to the third to the half. Is she correct in that sense? Is it true that a fourth is greater than a third? And a third is greater than a half? Oh, it's the other way around. Okay. So, colleagues, can you see how a teacher can use this kind of thing to get students to think a little bit more? Here is what your friend did. Is it wrong? Then one thing is, okay, correct it. But another one is, could you put in her shoes and say what she did? Why did she arrange it like that? Oh, maybe she was thinking about the half, the third, the fourth, the third, and the half. Oh, but even then it's the other way around. But oh no, she must be careful. It's not just 1/3, it's 2/3. So is it true that 1/3 is more than 1/4? But 2/3 compared to 1/4? Oh, you can't be too sure anymore. Final example. Word problem. Right, class, who is in the story? And what's the story all about? Look at the question. What was her total savings in 7 weeks? Oh, it's about total savings. Read the first sentence. Sarah saved $2 in week 1. That's quite easy to understand. So $2 in week 1. That's easy. $2 in week 1. And 50 cents more in week 2. Oh, that's a bit hard for me. What does it mean? So do I know how much she saved in week 2? 50 cents more? Is that right? More than in week 1? I think I better write things down before I forget. So week 1, $2. Do you think I can write down for week 2? Sarah saved $2 in week 1 and 50 cents more in week 2 than week 1. That's a bit hard for me. What does that mean? Talk to your friends for half a minute, the teacher would say. So notice that the collaboration, the talk to your friend, is an important part of the 21st century classroom. Is that right? Many of you say it's $2.50 in week 2. Every week, she saved 50 cents more than the previous... What is a long sentence? Let me read it again. Every week, she saved 50 cents more than the previous week. Oh, does it mean I know week 3? Talk to your friends for half a minute. Do we know week 3? Eventually, the children will say, okay, are you sure it's correct? Oh, that means, do you think you can work out week 4? Week 5? Week 6? Week 7? So it doesn't seem to be very difficult, right? Now, class, to find the total is not difficult then. I think we just need to add them up. But I want you to challenge yourself. Think of method 2. Method 1 is adding them up. $2 plus $2.50 plus $3 plus. But think of method 2. Can you try to add up the money in another way other than the way I just described to you? You have 3 minutes to do that. Talk to your friends how you would add up the total of all this money, these amounts that you are writing down. Now, class, does this list make sense? Are you sure $5 is for week 7 is correct? How do you know it's correct? Oh, is that right? You go from $2 to $3 because 2 weeks is $1. Then go $3 to $4. Then $4 to $5. Oh, another way is look at, does it go up by 50 cents? 2 to $2.50, $2.50 to $3, 3 to $3.50, and so on. Can you talk to your friends? How else could you add up the amount in other ways? My friend said that she can see $7. She said that, there are a lot of $7 hiding inside there. Is it true? You see $7? I don't see any $7. Do you? Where are the $7? How many $7 do you see? Is that right? Oh, is that correct? Week 1 and week 7 total up to $7. Week 2 and week 6 total up to $7. Week 3 and week 5 total up to $7. So that's easy. 3 bunches of $7. But don't forget the $3.50 in the middle. Now, what do you think of my friend's method? He said that he's not good with all this $half thing. He said that instead he wanted to do 8 groups of $7. Can he do that? He said he knows how to do 4 groups of $7. He said that's easy, that's $28. But obviously that's not a correct answer, right? Can you help him improve on his answer? Now, class, we always agree that whenever we need to do calculation, we want to do mental calculation. Do you think you can add up this list doing mental calculation? Or that's what you want to do? I hope you are not writing down things like that. $2 plus $2.50, $4.50, $4.50 plus $3. Come on, $4.50 plus $3, P6s. Don't need to write down. Oh, you want to write down? Can. It's a free country, you can do what you want. But it is embarrassing. So you can write it down if you want, but it's embarrassing. I won't say anything, but it's embarrassing. Oh, you got the calculator. You can use a calculator. You can. But remember, in our class, all of you got 3 stickers. Every time you use a calculator this term, you must give me your sticker. So every time you use calculator, you must give me your sticker. In our class, we agree that whenever we do problem solving, and we need to calculate, and you want to use a calculator, you must give me your sticker. You only got 3 stickers. Unless you pay money to your friend to buy other stickers. But otherwise, all of us only have 3 chances to use calculator. Do you think this is a good time to use a calculator? If you want to use it, sure, you can use a calculator, but you must give me your sticker. But so you know, it's highly embarrassing to use a calculator to do things like $3 plus $2. But you can use it. Anyway, you've got 3 chances in a term. Right, let me wrap it up now. Classroom routines. What are some classroom routines I have shared with you?